Good morning. I just woke up, but my brother woke up a little bit earlier and he already drove like 2 hours or something. Oh, nice view here.
It's now 7:40 in the morning.
Yeah, and we have like 250 kilometers to Kiruna, which is the next big city, I think. And yeah, now we are just looking for a place where we can eat breakfast. And yeah, that's what we are doing right now. This is too small. We want to have a nice place with a nice view, so we have some expectations for the place we want to eat breakfast at. And we don't just stop at any parking lot. So yeah, let's see what we can find.
So now we are here at Lapland in Sweden, and we already passed the Arctic Circle. We have around 500 kilometers left, 492, around 492, till we are there. So we already drove for like 5 hours today. It's 10:49, so we are quite good in time. And so yeah, we will continue driving and arrive today, and then we will start filming tomorrow if the weather will allow us to do so.
Right now we are entering Norway. We are far up in the north, and yeah, it's 45 kilometers until Narvik, which is, well, very far north. So yeah, now we are in Norway. Welcome to Norway.
Hello, I'm Micha Gröger, also known as Micha, and in this video I want to talk that we have the last hour in front of us. So there's a car, traffic everywhere, and it's really loud here. Yeah, really nice view in front of us, but I think the location where we want to go will be even quite more spectacular. Yeah, so just eating a banana here, and then we will drive the last hour until we will arrive today. So it took us around 2,800 kilometers in total, and 3 days to get here and to get to the location. And yeah, of course we have to drive all this way back then when we are finished with filming, but I think the official launch trailer will definitely be worth it.
Nice. So, finally, we have found a nice place to stay at. We found a very nice camping ground and we rented a little tiny hut. But this is the kitchen where basically everyone from the camping ground can cook. But we are the only ones here. And this is Micha, how he prepares our very nice meal of noodles and tomato sauce. Yeah, also we actually had warm water to wash our dishes, which was, I mean, this is one of those small things that you usually do not appreciate when you are at home, washing the dishes with warm water. But when you are on a trip like this, washing the dishes with warm water is completely luxurious. Yeah, so we'll have our meal soon and hopefully sleep a little bit better and a little bit longer than the last 2 nights where we just slept in the car. But the most important thing, we were finally able to take a shower. We really needed that. Do you see that? Cook with a smile. Let's take a look at our cook. Yeah, this is how it's done. So, here we are, about to start our drone. And yeah, we will see if you can understand me because of the wind. It's pretty windy here and very cold. But yeah, we'll witness in a few moments how this thing starts up. And let's see if it works. Okay, let's start. You can see the drone fighting the wind. And here it goes. Goodbye. Look who is coming there. Slow steps, tired of the work of the day. Finally he is here.
Indeed, I am.
So it's really freezing outside. It's so cold and very windy. Yeah, but now it's time to take a look at what we have filmed today.
Here it is.
Oh yeah. And later make our, what is called, supper. In Germany we say Abendbrot, which means kind of evening bread. Because you always eat bread in the evening in Germany. Yeah, but luckily we are not in Germany but in Norway, so we will eat noodles in the evening. So we see here Micha, our drone operator, in action. Go. Woo!
Hello sheeps. But they are actually very friendly because they go on the on the side of the road so we can drive by. Oh, but they may... Oh, here. Thank you very much. Very friendly. Thank you.
And on we go.